Welcome everyone to the new video, and now today we have gathered here in the science exhibitions of United Public School, Hojai, Assam, India. So students of class 6, they have made one project named as water purifier on the organic basis. So what is the name of your project? A bit louder please.
Natural filtration.
Natural filtration. So how does it work?
First we have to pour dirty water and then the dirty water will pass through the stones, and the second stage is the charcoal. The charcoal will also with the sand, and then sand will purify the water, and the cotton will soak the sand, and then the purified water.
So now you can say this is here the dirty water. At first it will be poured first, and then layer after layer the water will be purified, and then it will be going, and now it is very ready to drink. Drop by drop it has been filtered. So you have been working in this project for how many days? That it
2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days. How many partners are there in your group?
5.
5. All are from class 7 or
6.
class 6 or class 7? 7 no one is there?
No, sir.
Okay. So how to expect that you have also represented your project in the competition in the school? What prize you expect?
We're expecting the first prize. Because,
First prize.
We are showing that how slum people can use this for water filtration.
People
Okay.
who can't afford the modern filters.
Okay, so wishing you all the best so that you can come ahead with the flying colors and achieve one good prize in this competition. Thank you.